Hey, Dory here with Next Stage Drumming. Well, even though I'm pretty stressed out right about now because there's a lot of stuff going on, I don't feel it when I'm drumming. Why is that, you might ask? It's because drumming forces you to be in the moment. You can't think about what's coming up next or what happened or what's going on in your life right now because you're focusing on your breath and the beats. Whatever beats you choose to do and whatever you choose to drum on is fine. I like using a djembe for drum therapy because it has a lot of bounce, which produces a lot of sound waves and has a nice deep tone. So start with me with whatever you have. Take some breaths. You could even use your imagination and go to your happy place, whether it's the beach or the mountains or wherever you need to go. I'm just going to do a basic heartbeat to start out with 2 beats in the middle of my drum, and then I'm going to add a beat on the edge. So I call it heartbeat plus 1. Here we go. Take some breaths, close your eyes. Yes, it does sound like We Will Rock You, I get it. Breathe in, breathe out. I gotta add some beats. Breathe, release. You can sweep it away. Whatever's bothering you, sweep it away. There you go. Always makes you feel better, even if it's just for a few minutes, whether it's on a djembe drum, the drum kit works really well too, drum pad, or even just drumming on your lap. Take a break, take a breath, and tap out some beats. If you're worried and stressed out and you're a person of faith, give it to God. Don't keep holding on to that stuff because it's not serving you, number one. Number two, it's really bad for your health because it does take a toll on your body and your blood pressure and everything else. So release, relax, and tap out some beats. Till next time, keep on drumming and keep the faith, my friends.